uyokuthi uhlale phansi umuzwe ekhuluma into enempilo, inspire. It's time for inspiration. Umuntu omnyama apha.
So your content creators that will bring thought-provoking conversations, your leaders that you see online that you wish to say something. Are we going to have something like ngisho noma ngasho asibayeke kancane yabo.
Okay.
I start smiling content.
Sibaxolele.
When is the first episode dropping?
Keep watching. Ne? We will make sure we post everything. We will keep you up to date on all the matters regarding the podcast. This is a Sibenama behind the scenes because you deserve to be close to your heroes. When is the first episode dropping? Mamzandi, I think you should have the honor. But Jen, tell them the truth.
First episode dropping before the end of this week. Thursday, 1 p.m., right?
Yeah, definitely.
This week.
Definitely.
This week. Umhlaka bani namhlanje?
It's the
26th, which means
January.
it's dropping on the 20.
On the 20. It's deep. It's deep.
But out Thursday, 1 o'clock, your first episode is coming right away. So when I just stay tuned. Stay tuned. Usuzwile ukuthi uzolindela ini. Stay tuned. Asibangeni.
Let's do this. Asiqale.